In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add assets to QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to select so your asset shows up correctly in your books and reports. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and head to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is your shortcut to key settings and lists. From the menu that appears, choose Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the master list of all the buckets your transactions can land in: income, expenses, liabilities, and in this case, assets. Setting up the right asset account ensures your equipment, vehicles, or other resources are tracked the way your accountant expects. Once you're in the chart of accounts, look to the top right and click New Account. You're not recording a purchase here. You're creating the place where that purchase will live in your records. Now give your asset a clear, descriptive name. Aim for something that will make sense months from now, like computer equipment, delivery van, or office furniture. You can add a bit of context, such as the year or location, if it helps you distinguish similar items later on. Consistency is key. Use a naming style you can repeat across your assets. Next, choose the account type that fits your asset. For items you'll use longer than a year, like machinery, vehicles, and computers, pick Fixed Asset. If it's an asset that doesn't fit the usual fixed asset categories but isn't short-term, Other Asset can be appropriate. Selecting the right type matters because it controls how the asset appears on your balance sheet and how reports summarize it. After that, select a detail type that best describes the asset. This is a more specific label within the account type. For example, under Fixed Asset, you might see options such as vehicles, furniture, and fixtures, or computers. Picking the most accurate detail type helps with cleaner reporting and keeps similar assets grouped together. When your name, account type, and detail type look good, click Save. That's it. Your new asset account is now part of your chart of accounts, ready for you to use when you record the purchase or adjust balances later. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your asset names consistent across your company, and if you're unsure which account type or detail type to choose, check with your accountant to match your reporting needs. With this setup complete, your assets will be organized, easy to find, and properly represented on your financial statements.